Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Today we're going to go over our steering stabilizer kits. This particular kit we have here is for an 05 and newer Ford Super Duty. What's cool about this kit, it'll fit a stock height, medium lift, great big lift. But these are available in black, semi-gloss black, or if you want to do your own powder coating, we can send it to you raw. We have two shock options available for this thing. We carry the Fox line, have those in stock. Then we also have our new, for 2019, our Kelderman Raptor built shocks. These shocks are actually specifically valved to work with this steering stabilizer kit. So really cool, high quality shock that we're just releasing here in 2019. So here we have our steering stabilizer kit installed. This is a 2019 F350. Very easy to put this kit on. I mean, it literally takes about 15 minutes. Got 4 bolts here. We take out 2 bolts on the differential. Fastens right here. This has got our new Kelderman shocks on it. Again, got a couple bolts on each end. Super easy installation, makes the thing drive better, and it looks super cool.